Wow, what a difference insulation makes. So quiet in here now. We got the insulation in this morning. Took them two guys 2 hours to insulate this whole thing. They were moving. R13 in the walls, R30 in the ceilings. So, I don't know, in some other videos I may have shown you right up here where the so-called framers, when they were supposed to come back and reinforce the sill plate there and put a ledger there, board for the floor decking to rest on. Well, they halfway did it, and they didn't get that ledger board level with the joist and everything, so our floor sloped hard right in here. So I've come in with floor leveler and level this out. We got a couple more bags, or 2 more bags, but I think 1 more bag will take care of it. A little bit up here, a little bit down here. Sorry for the poor lighting. It's afternoon time and about ready to wrap it up. I am so excited. He's got heat on now. It's really cold outside, but wow, we got the we're ready for the water. We turned the water on a couple days ago, of course, one afternoon, and and they're all excited and everything, and I said, listen, I heard psst. I said, oh crap, we got a leak. So now the framers back in here had hit a nail guard with their nailer, and I said, I guarantee you, because they didn't glue this down like they were supposed to. They didn't glue the edges, nothing. They just shot it some nails in, just regular old bright nails, and I said, I guarantee you they hit that water line. So I had to cut this section out. Sure enough, they tagged one right there on the edge, and just went right through the edge of the pecs, and there was water shooting every place. So of course, those guys there, oh well, it happens, your water line shouldn't have been so high and all this. And I'm thinking, you should have known where the joist was, because they missed the joist. You look, once you pull this up and started looking down through there, they missed the joist in a lot of places. That's why this floor is kind of bouncy now. Instead of using screws and glue, they use bright nails. So anyway, hey, we're coming along pretty good on this thing. Sheetrocker's supposed to be in here about 3 days, and it's going to make a world of difference. So I'm excited to get this project done. I've got other things coming up. I'm getting backed up on other jobs, and I'm ready to get this thing done and over with. So hey, really, y'all, just for a free mobile home, I don't know quite what he's got into it yet. I don't think as much as he would like to let on. A lot of it's his own fault for wasting money, but in my opinion, when you get in a hurry and you want something done, you just start grabbing any warm body that comes by. Sometimes that's what happens. So anyway, y'all, that's where we're at, and I'll bring you an update next week again. So y'all have a good weekend. Donald Blue Collar, we're out.